in the blood of the Lamb? Are you washed in the blood and the soul-cleansing blood of the Lamb? Are you garments spotless? Are they white as snow? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb?
Sing me another one, Seth.
Huh?
Sing me another one.
Are you garments spotless? Are they white as snow? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Are you washed in the blood, in the soul-cleansing blood of the Lamb? Are you garments spotless? Are they white as snow? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Are you washed in the blood, in the soul-cleansing blood of the Lamb? Are you washed in the blood? Hold on.
Yep.
Let's start over.
Okay.
Are you washed in the blood, in the soul-cleansing blood of the Lamb? Are you garments spotless? Are they white as snow? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb? Are you washed in the blood, in the soul-cleansing blood of the Lamb? Are you garments spotless? Are they white as snow? Are you washed in the blood of the Lamb?
That's beautiful. Look, sing me another one.
What?
Sing me another one.
Are you washed?
No, another song.
I don't know how. My bell verse?
Yeah.
For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believed in Him should not perish but have everlasting life. For God sent not His Son into the world to condemn the world, but the world through Him might be saved. John 3:16-17.
That is wonderful.
Mom, what did you say? 80?
Yeah.
80? Like 80 or 40?
You have to help him, don't you?
Huh?
You have to help him, don't you?